Hello everyone, welcome back to Level Up Phonics. In today's lesson, you are going to learn double S. Sound is S. In many of the words, you might have observed it's written 2 times S, that is double S. So many might have confused that do we need to pronounce S 2 times that? No, we will pronounce only 1 time. So double S sound is S. Let's see the words. B-A, ba, S, boss. B-A, ba, S, boss. L-A, le, S, less. L-A, le, S, less. H-E, he, S, his. H-E, he, S, his. K-E, ki, S, kiss. K-E, ki, S, kiss. M-A, me, S, mess. M-A, me, S, mess. F-A, S, fuss. F-A, S, fuss. Cr-A, craw, S, cross. Cr-A, craw, S, cross. Str-A, stray, S, stress. Pr-A, pray, S, press. Pr-A, pray, S, press. Cla-A, cla, S, class. M-E, me, S, miss. M-E, me, S, miss. Gra-A, gra, S, grass. Gra-A, gra, S, grass. L-A, law, S, loss. L-A, law, S, loss. M-A, ma, S, moss. M-A, ma, S, moss. Gla-A, gla, S, glass. Gla-A, gla, S, glass. Dra-A, dray, S, dress. Dra-A, dray, S, dress. So this was about double S. Sound is S. So if you feel my videos are helping you, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.